Okay, this is part 3 of them trying to get the boat back in land. Here they come. Oh, she ran out. Well, I'm killed now. So they gotta coach back in because it's kind of shallow here. And people were driving by wondering what the fuck we're doing boating at fucking 7 o'clock at sunset. And the sun's already set behind the rain because PEI is getting fucking rain for, oh, fucking 2 weeks now. Oh, they're back in. They're alive. It works very slowly. And watch coming sideways.
I don't like it. We're gonna be since she's dripping gas like a Florida Friday night.
Well, then don't burn it all.
I'll just lower it, dude. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to find the lead. You can never find these things when you're in a rush. Jacob, get in, lock, and get out. I'm working on
I got one arm. If I gotta swim, fuck that.
Fine, I'm driving, man. No, you figured it.
I ain't walking in that. I ain't going. I've got my boots on.
You can go, man.
I don't want to go. Not today. Holy fuck, you lost the motor. Told you it wasn't on.
I said that. Too.
Just bring her back in. Look at the fucking gas dripping into the up. Oh, no, wait. If I were an actress, look at this video. This is horrible. What are you doing? You're making it worse. Get walking in the sea now. Come back here now. Wow.
Well, I'm soaked.
I'm not. I'm smart.
Man, this fucking barrel don't even need the barrels. I thought it'd be sick as fuck with the barrels.
You get more people? Let's go so fucking slow.
It would no, it wouldn't, man. The barrel's right on top of the ladder.
She still go slow though. She won't go any faster.
No, but it wouldn't slow it down that much. That one's already off, Ben.
How is that, Lachlan? I got a 3-part thing to this.
A 3-part thing?
Yeah, it's a 3-part.
Oh my god.
The second part's like 7 minutes long.
Man, we're going good now. I'm like, oh, where's the idle? Hey, touch the idle, shut it down. We fucking sped up. Oh yeah, we want the idle.
Dan,
Go get that steel boat.
Dan, what are you doing?
Wanna go for another spin? I think we should go get Ruggins.
How?
Yeah, how?
The truck is dead
Oh yeah.
because the alternator is gone. And we noticed that on the way here, but we didn't change anything.
I think you should drain some of the water at the bottom of the boat, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's getting a little low.
Look at all the water in there. Yeah. Boat, water. Water and boat. Ben, horrible driver.
I'm not a horrible driver. I got this working, fuck off. I was the one that got it working.
Anyways, we're off. We might come back. I'm fucking, my hand's getting cold holding this thing. My one eye. I gotta go. Alright, peace out.